is Evan Oliverio, and I work at the Honda of Marysville dealership in the body shop. I've been an apprentice, kind of a helper with the paint prep and body work. With color match was pretty much a brand new thing to me. So we got out the cards and held them up to the panels and got to see how the colors matched up. So that was really cool. That was all new to me, so good learning experience there. I got a little bit more familiar using the software, and it was really nice because you guys have the PPG software and then Sickens and I think it was Chromax, so got to do a little bit of everything, familiarize myself with all of it, using the camera and cleaning the panel to get it ready to take a picture, and then putting it on the computer and reading the colors. So I'd like to thank my employer and Mr. Rob Daniels for sending me out here. It's been a great experience.